Good morning, guys. Good morning. This is one of the weeks I've been waiting on. This is one of the weeks I've been waiting on. After last week, what happened with, what was it? COSM, is that what it was? That was crazy. That was crazy. That stock was crazy. There was a lot going on. A lot of people should have, let me turn this down. So a lot of people should have made a lot of money last week, but a lot of apps and brokerages, they were preventing people to make the max amount of money that they should have made. And Robinhood was one of them that people couldn't trade at certain times, okay? TD Ameritrade had some trouble. Webull had some trouble. So it was like this. At the beginning, when trading was available on Robinhood, because Robinhood, throughout the day, I noticed Robinhood was very, very behind with keeping up with the changes. And I slowly start seeing the changes come in throughout the day. So since they had the memo, but they wasn't on board right off. They wasn't up to date. So at 7, they were allowing trades right around 7 o'clock. I got my coffee here. I had to go and make some more coffee. I'm gonna tell you about that in a minute. So a lot of people were trading. You know, they were making some money between 7 and 7:30, I believe it was. And then after 7:35, Robinhood suspended trading on the stock. Like, you couldn't buy it or sell it. And a lot of people sat there and looked at it and watched it go up and up and up and up and up. And on Robinhood, it wasn't showing the stock split at the beginning. So as you can see on one of my videos, I was up like almost $2,000 or something. And at one point I was almost at $3,000 profit. But that was prior. That was a price that wasn't adjusted. So, and of course I would have sold it, but I couldn't trade it. And if I did sold it, I'm pretty sure Robinhood probably would have adjusted the price and made it the stock split price. So a lot of people thought they were getting a lot of money, and you really didn't. But eventually, when market closed, I mentioned this on the video too. I said, most likely when the market closes, this is probably when they're going to start, they're going to allow trading. And that's exactly what happened. And I didn't catch the beginning part of the trading when it started after market close. I was like doing some shopping. Then I looked up and I seen people that sold. And, you know, I would have been one of the persons that sold right when they were allowing it. And then it kind of switched, like, Robinhood was allowing to trade in the morning. Webull wasn't. Some other brokerages wasn't. And then it flopped. Robinhood was trying to catch up with the stock split price and all the updates. And then so it stopped trading. And then Webull start allowing people to trade. I don't know. It was crazy. It was crazy. But anyway, we'll talk about that later. AMC. This is what I think is going to happen. I think today we are going to push up. Let me go back to last week over here. So I think we're still going to revisit this part right here, 515. I'd be very surprised if we push up to 550. What's the price? Okay, so it's possible that we could push up to 550 today, okay? I looked at the SPYs. The SPYs was kind of up. The Qs was kind of up. So it kind of looks like we're on the uptrend hill, like we're going up. But it's Monday, so it could do a reversal and come down. I do think we're going to go back down. Even though we're going to rise up, I think we're going to come back down to this part right here, 515. And the highest I think we'll go is probably 550 to about right here, 34. Oh, we're right there. Okay. So I think we could revisit this 550 right here, 553. It's possible we can go past it, but me personally, I don't think we're going to go past past the 550. Here we go, 565. I don't think we're gonna go past 565. It's just my opinion, okay? It's not financial advice, okay? And the lowest I think we're gonna go, I think we're gonna see 515. And if the market start pulling back while we're at the 515 mark, we're gonna go lower and we're gonna hit that 498 that I was talking about. And when we hit that point, I'm definitely going to adjust some of my stocks and and buy some more AMC. Okay, I'm not okay. Don't get me wrong. I know AMC is in that squeeze potential, so I am going to buy a little bit more whenever the squeeze happen. If it happens, I mean, I'm not putting all my money on it because I don't want to lose out. I can make money on other trades. All my money is not all on AMC. I bought some and I'm holding it, just like I'm holding other stocks that I'm holding and hoping for the best, right? But we're going to see where it's going to take us. But I do think we're going to come down. I really think we're going to come down and see that high $4 mark. And then, you know, we're just going to keep an eye on it. I'm going to show you some other stocks that I'm looking at. I normally have one Mullen, which I sold it because I did some trades. So I'm watching, of course, everybody's going to be watching CSI today. The volume's already, 51 million. Everyone's watching that. Me personally, I have my eyes on this. I have a lot of shares. I have 1,000 shares of this. And I mean, it didn't cost me much. The value's only $82. So I bought 1,000 shares. You know, ain't no telling where this is gonna go. But it's been heavily shorted. So that's one of the reasons I'm not worried about the fundamentals. I just know it's in that squeeze potential and a lot of other things happening. And as soon as it rise up to the point to where I want to sell it, then I'm going to sell it. Okay, I'm not worried about if I lose this money right here. What else? And of course, everybody is still watching this right here. I think it's going to push down a little bit more than I think this is going to have another run. Just my opinion, okay? It's just my opinion. I think they're really trying to push this back down to this point over here, to this $3 mark, $4 mark. That's where I think they're trying to get it back to. And definitely going to try to get it back to the 8, okay? So keep that in mind. Once they get to 8, then there's no telling what's going to happen after that. But that's it, guys. We're going to, like I said, we're going to keep our eye on AMC, see what it does, see the direction it's going to go, but I do think it's going to go down. And also, this is what I'm eating. So I'm just going to show you this, guys. This is very, very, very good. It's like a spicy Southern West style breakfast bowl. It's very good. So you might want to try that out. It's a little spicy, but it's good. All right, guys, that's it. I'll see you when the market starts and later on in the midday and see where we're at. All right, guys, take care. Don't let no one tell you how to trade. Trade how you want to trade, okay? Be your own boss. Be your own your own whatever, okay? Do not let anyone tell you how to trade, because people will tell you how to do that. All right, guys, take care. Peace.